What if you could stop typing almost entirely and simply speak everything you want to write? Whether you're responding to emails, writing documents, coding, chatting with teammates, or just taking notes, Wispr Flow transforms your voice into polished text in real time. Unlike traditional voice typing, Flow automatically fixes grammar, removes filler words, understands your writing style, and works in virtually every application on your computer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Wispr Flow, explain its main features, and then we'll test it with a few real-world examples to see how well it performs. After installing Flow and signing into your account, you will arrive at the main dashboard. On the left side, you will find several tools. Each section serves a different purpose, but today we will mainly focus on dictation since that's the feature most people use every day. The center of the dashboard displays your recent dictation history. Every time you dictate text, Flow stores it here, making it easy to review previous recordings, copy them into another application, or continue working where you left off. On the right side, you will also see useful statistics such as your total word count, words per minute, writing streak, and your personal voice profile, which gradually learns your speaking habits as you continue using the platform. One of the Flow's biggest advantages is that it doesn't require special integrations. Instead of only working inside one application, Flow works anywhere you can type. Whether you're writing an email in Gmail, chatting in Slack, creating documents in Google Docs, writing code in Cursor, prompting ChatGPT, or just messaging someone in Discord, you simply activate Flow and begin speaking naturally. Now let's test it with a real example. Imagine we need to send a quick project update to our team. Instead of typing, we'll activate Flow and simply speak. Hey everyone, the product launch has moved from Friday to next Monday because we're still waiting for legal approval. We'll have the final schedule ready by Thursday afternoon. Thanks for your patience. As we speak, Flow converts our voice into text almost instantly. More importantly, it automatically removes unnecessary filler words, corrects the grammar, fixes repeated words, and adds proper punctuation. Instead of receiving a rough transcript, we get a polished message that is ready to send immediately. Another feature that makes Flow stand out is the writing style. Different conversations require different tones, so Flow lets you customize how your text sounds. For example, you can choose a formal writing style for professional emails, a casual style for messaging coworkers, or a very relaxed style for personal conversations. The words stay yours, but Flow adjusts the formatting and presentation depending on where you're writing. Another use for productivity feature is Snippets. Imagine you frequently send the same meeting invitation, email signature, company address, or social media links. Instead of repeating them every day, you can save them as snippets, then simply say the shortcut phrase and Flow instantly inserts the entire block of text for you. Flow is also designed for multilingual users. It supports over 100 languages and you can automatically detect which language you are speaking. Privacy is another important part of the platform. For users handling sensitive information, Flow includes privacy mode, allowing voice dictation to remain private while giving organization additional confidence when using the software for professional work. As you continue using Flow, the platform becomes smarter. It adapts to your vocabulary, your writing habits, and your preferred communication style, making it future dictation even more accurate and natural. So whether you are writing emails, creating content, coding, taking notes, or managing daily communication, Flow helps turn your spoken thoughts into polished professional writing with minimal effort. So that'll be all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe and thank you for watching AI Community, and I'll see you in the next one.